Hi, welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. It's time to plant the spring veggies for 2020, so I'll show you what I've done. So it's November 2020, it's spring in Australia in the southern hemisphere, so it's getting warmer now, so time to plant some vegetables for the upcoming summer. So there's no frosts now. It's cool at night still, but no frosts, which are bad for tomatoes and other crops. So let's go to the veggie garden. So this is a crop for spring 2020. I've got some rhubarb here that's planted probably 6 months ago. It's well established. That's some oregano in the middle and garlic. That's well established from a few years ago. So I'll move on to the strawberries next. So the strawberries are from previous years as well. They're starting to spread a bit more and grow a bit better. Now it's getting warmer. So I've just got some snail pellets. I don't like chemicals, but you sort of need those to stop the snails munching all the new seedlings. And I've got some sugarcane mulch around. That's going to keep the moisture in the soil and try and reduce weeds coming up. Got some little strawberries coming out. They're still green, so I can't eat them yet. So I've got to pick them when they're ripe and before the birds get to them. Next I've got a heirloom tomato. They're supposed to be sort of little, almost Roma style oval shaped tomatoes. We'll see how they go. And I've got a stake there. I've got two seedlings from a friend, so I'm not sure exactly what variety they are, so I'll put two there with their stakes. I've got some new Japanese climbing cucumbers here. So it's a new variety I haven't tried yet, so I've got a few seedlings planted here. I'll see which ones are the strongest and I'll cull the weak ones. And I've got a frame here for them to climb up. It's a new thing I've done. I haven't done this in previous years. Usually I've just let the cucumbers grow all over the ground. I'm going to try and grow them up a bit. Got some more lucky seedlings here from a friend. I think they're pumpkins, so I'm going to find out later what they are when they grow. So I've got snail pellets and sugarcane mulch, and I've used some dynamic lifter when I turn the soil over to get it ready for summer. That's a fertilizer. This is my spinach here. That's sprouted up over winter by itself, so I'll just let that grow. So one of the seeds from previous years has sprouted. I'm going to leave this bottom section unused for the moment because we're still on water restrictions, so I don't know how much I can water, so I'm just going to limit myself to some pumpkins, cucumbers, tomatoes and strawberries on this section. So this setup's good. I've got some sprinklers here, so they run off the rainwater tank of the main house, so you can set them to be on or off. So this one's on because they're little valves the same direction as a pipe. The one not used, I've turned that off so the valve's perpendicular to the pipe. I've also got the shed's 2,000 litre tank with the pump, so I can use that to water as well. So I've got the herb garden here, or herb for your Americans. Got some mint here, that's in a pot to stop it spreading. Got some chives, so the mint and chives are from previous year. Got some new basil here. It's called a spicy basil, so I haven't tried that one yet. Got some coriander here. Half of you will say yum and the other half will say but it's a good herb for Thai dishes and curries and things. Got some parsley here. Got the oregano from previous, rosemary from previous. And some lettuces there. So I hope this inspires you to grow your own veggies. You can just start off with one or two, even just in pot plants or on a balcony if you're in a unit or apartment. So it's nothing like having your own fresh veggies. You can pluck them off from the garden and eat them that day. Well, thanks for watching and see you next time.